Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your OBS Studio lag and stuttering best OBS Studio record settings easy tutorial. So we're going to be showing you the best settings to fix lag, improve performance, and get smooth recordings even on low or mid-range PCs. So just open your OBS Studio and let's try to change your output settings. So go to settings here, and right after head here on output. So first thing that we're gonna go ahead and try to change this is the output mode. So there are two options in here. We have simple and advanced. We're gonna leave it as simple. And here under recording, so recording format, we have here MKV or MP4. So choose both of those options. And encoder here, so you should be able to see that option in here if you're using that. Now let's try to change your encoder. Go here on video. So here on our video encoder, we have two options. We have software and hardware. So we're just gonna try to use hardware in here for better quality. So we have bitrate. Feel free to adjust this. And here on record quality, so let's just gonna leave it as same as stream. So simply choose that. Now it's time to also adjust the video settings. So just click on videos here. So for base or canvas resolution, set it to your monitor's resolution. So this is my current monitor resolution, so we're gonna leave it as it is. So right after, we also have in here the output or scaled resolution. So if lagging, you could downscale to this one. So you'll just feel free to go ahead and downscale if you're still lagging. On downscale filter, we have bicubic in here for sharpened scaling, 16 samples, or you could also use bilinear if you need more FPS. So common FPS also they could use is 30 for performance and 60 if your system can handle it. So those are the two options. You could also configure the advanced settings. So here on settings, just go here on advanced. And right after we have process priority in here. So you could set this above normal. And in renderer, we have direct 3D 11. So color format, just choose this one, NV12, color space 709, and color range, so this one should be full. Then right after this, you'll just have to click on apply and OK so that the changes would be saved onto your OBS settings. Then you could also try to optimize in-game and system performance by closing unnecessary apps like Chrome, Discord overlays. You could turn off your game mode in Windows if it causes issues, update your GPU drivers, and lower in-game settings to reduce CPU or usage. Also, try to monitor your performance. So you should be able to see that one here under CPU. So you could see that while recording, or try game capture instead of display capture for lower resource use. So you should be able to see that here. So we have game capture instead of the display capture here. And that is just basically it. With this OBS Studio settings, you should see smoother, stutter-free recordings. So whether you're gaming, recording tutorials, streaming, optimizing the settings can make a big difference. If you think that this tutorial has been helpful, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe. Also check out the links in the description for some helpful bonuses, tools, and extra resources we share with our viewers. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on to our next video.